Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we will be discussing how to reset LinkedIn password. So before we start, I would like to invite you to click the link in the description below to transform your LinkedIn profile into an income generating asset that can start making you more money by attracting opportunities and leads to your LinkedIn profile. Now back to the video. Talking about resetting your password, so there could be two different scenarios. Either you are inside LinkedIn profile and you want to change your password or reset it, or you are outside your profile and since you forgot your password and you want to reset it. Now since we are inside, we are going to be discussing the very first method, which is resetting your password from your dashboard or inside LinkedIn. Head over to your profile from the top right side of your screen and then simply head over to settings and privacy. Once you are here, you will be able to see this sign in and security option on the left side of your screen. Head over to that and here you can see we have this option saying change password. Click on that and here you need to enter your current password. Then you are going to be typing your new password and confirming your password. With that being said, that will eventually reset your password easily. Now talking about if you are outside LinkedIn and you simply want to sign into your account but unfortunately you forgot the password. Now what you need to do is simply click on forgot password option at the bottom and then it will be directing you towards this forgot password pop-up. Enter your email address in here and then click on next. And once you click on submit, a 6-digit code will be sent onto your email address that you provided or have already on LinkedIn, and that will enable you to simply reset your password and get into your account. So this was pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your upgraded money-making LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, you can subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.